Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel. In today's video guys we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze, but if you guys have Chevy Sonic, that procedure will apply to it as well, because most of Chevy Cruze and Chevy Sonic, they share the same engines. Now, if you guys have a Chevy Cruze guys or a Chevy Sonic and your oil pressure light is on, that red light inside on the dash guys is on, stay with us and we will explain what could cause that. So we have that Cruze here with a 1.8 engine guys, we took completely apart. We have more than 200 videos on this car. Why guys? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, in return, like the video, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think, if the video was helpful or if you have any recommendations. So, if your guys' oil pressure light is on, what could cause that? This is the 1.8 engine. The most common reason for that guys is a bad oil pressure switch or oil pressure sensor, also known as oil pressure switch or oil pressure sensor. Okay, and let me show you where that thing is located. So I need to get the camera in here, give me just a second. Okay, we have the radiators removed and all that, so we can show you that stuff guys. Right behind the AC compressor, okay, usually right here will be your AC compressor. This is your catalytic converter and oxygen sensor. Is your oil pressure switch. You can see right there on the block. So, let me guys remove it, okay. We'll explain the few reasons why your oil light could be on. Number one, bad oil pressure switch. Okay, this is the one that detects how much pressure you have in the oil system. Now, if that thing fails, guys, okay, let me get everything out of here. If that thing fails, you will notice now, guys, that the light will be on, even though you have oil pressure. But never risk it, guys, driving the car with the light on, okay, because you can severely damage your engine in just a few seconds, or at most minutes, guys, and you need a new engine. This is the one that tells, okay, the computer how much oil pressure you have and all that stuff, but if it fails, it's going to give you a red oil pressure light. Now that's number one reason. Number two, it could be a bad wiring harness, guys. It could be a bad connector. Okay, this is the connector right here. You need to inspect the wiring harness. There is only one wire going inside of it. Okay, only one wire. So you need to inspect all that to make sure it's not burned somewhere, because it's very close to the exhaust and all that stuff. If that is good, guys, it could be a bad oil pump. Okay, and you hope that this is not the case, because you have to take quite a few things apart. We have guys a video on the channel that explains how to do an oil pump replacement, so please check it out. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful, okay, to some of you trying to figure out why you have the light on. Those are the top 3 reasons: bad switch, bad wiring harness, or a bad pump. So another reason, guys, okay, it's super wore out engine and you're losing oil pressure from the bearings, but I don't think this will be the case in your scenario. I haven't seen one yet to be so bad, so, but hey, you never know. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please guys, hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.